but you were too fast.
Sir Handel arrived with the narrow-gauge controller. He had heard what had happened to Rheneas. "It's all my fault, sir," chuffed Freddy sadly. "I used old tracks."
You tricked us, tooted Skarloey. And now Rheneas is lost and in trouble.
"No, he isn't," whistled Freddy loudly. "I can find him. I know all the old tracks. Please, sir, follow me." Freddy led the rescue party along another forgotten track. The track wound down to the valley. And there was Rheneas.
I'm so happy you found me, peeped Rheneas.
"So am I," chuffed Freddy. In no time at all, Rheneas was back on the track. And all the engines chuffed back to the transfer yards. "I'm sorry I tricked you," puffed Freddy. "You're much faster engines than me."
But you know all the old tracks, peeped Rheneas. Please tell us about them.
So, Freddy began to tell the young engines tales from the old tracks. Everyone was happy Fearless Freddy was back. Today, Thomas, James, and Henry are being repainted, but there's a problem. The labels have come off the cans of paint. No one knows which color paint is in which can. Is the paint in the first can the right color for Thomas? Let's see. It's red. Is that the right color for Thomas? No, Thomas isn't red. What about the second can? Blue. That looks better. Thomas is blue. Who's next? James. James is red. Can you remember which can the red paint was in? Was it this can? No, that's not right. The third can is full of green paint. What about trying the first can again? Red. That's right. The first can is full of red paint. There's one more engine to be repainted. Henry. Henry is green. Can you remember which can the green paint was in? Was it this can? Yes. The green paint is in the third can. Now Henry, James, and Thomas are all the right color. And how smart they look, too. Well done. Toby's new shed. It was a wet and windy day on the island of Sodor. The engines were working hard. Henry pulled freight. Gordon pulled the express. And Thomas was taking freight cars to Arlesdale End. As he arrived, Thomas saw lots of birds chirping. Thomas thought their singing was lovely. Then he saw Toby coming out of his shed.
Good morning, Thomas,
puffed Toby. Thomas was surprised. Toby was very wet.